flowers.
Na flowers.
I finished really pink. Flowers po.
Flowers, ma'am.
Oh, lamig.
Where is the planting? Kita ba natin Brandy?
Wala naman siya. Bawal. Pwede ba?
Pero pipil ko yung eyelash.
Wait lang. Nilalang ko.
Niya ba yun? Dito ako magpapalo.
Let us give a round of applause to our SLU band under the baton of Mrs. Maribig Macadee for rendering us wonderful and inspiring songs. Thank you very much.
Ate, video to ate. Ate. Hawakan mo to ate, oh. Sorry po. Ay, one.
To our graduates, kindly hurry up. Those who are just coming.
Oo.
you for your kind cooperation and kindly follow our OSAS assistants and HTM students for your
Uy, punta na daw kayo. Wala siya. Di ba, bibidyoin ka ba? Ano ka?
so that our professional will be better.
Balik na kayo doon. Anong wait lang? Ate, ko punta na mo yun.
Thank you once again, our dear parents, as you know the Prince Bernhard King. Again, kindly treat our graduates with anything.
Picture to picture. Dali.
Manandito yung ano, ticket.
Sige. Akin na yung ticket, ate.
Tama na, pumunta na kayo.
Oh. So free.
Yan, ticket. Come, let's go.
To our dear graduates, kindly
Tara na.
follow
Iwanan ka namin dito, ate.
Mamaya bibigay ko sa isang cellphone pa.
Ate, mag-say hi ka ba?
your sitting arrangement. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ate Brandy. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, come, let's go. Asan yung... There are only 3 tickets.